Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the top 3 altcoins to buy in the month of June, as we're on a road to recovery pretty much and waiting for another bull market in the future. We're going to be taking a look at some opportunities. So the market is down about 4.5% today, and so far Bitcoin is down about 4.5% as well. Ethereum down about 3, almost 4%, but Bitcoin is trading at the same price that we were trading pretty much 24 hours or so ago. Currently at that 37,000 area. Ethereum still at around that 2,700 area. Binance down about 6% to under 400 at this point. Cardano's down about 6% as well, trading at around $1.74. Dogecoin is down about 5% at this point. And then we have the other ones that are also down between 5 and 10%, and some of them are a little bit less, and some of them are even green. So definitely something to be checking out. Before we get into these 3 cryptos, let's take a look at some of the big news going on right now around the world in the crypto space and what is going on. Sunday effect could be another hurdle for crypto ETFs in the United States. So what does this mean? Well, digital currency, obviously, everybody is waiting for the regulatory decision on crypto exchange traded funds in the US, but there's drawbacks to that as well, because ETFs by definition trade on exchanges which are subject to the work week hour trading restrictions, obviously. So Monday through Friday we're trading, and then obviously Saturdays and Sundays we are closed. So let's say Bitcoin was to plummet, really hard on a Saturday or a Sunday, investors, that are in the Bitcoin ETF would theoretically be trapped in that fund until the market opened up on Monday. Should it spike, they'd have to wait for, to trade for a profit as well. So either way, this would definitely, be a big drawback to the ETF. Now, the crypto market is 24/7, so obviously, it has different rules. So you would have to wait until that Monday bell, open to get in or get out or whatever you want to do with it. Obviously, this challenge has not stopped a series of U.S. asset managers from gearing up for the ETF launch. Now, right here, Wisdom Tree, Investment Fidelity, and others have filed registration documents with the Securities and Exchange Commission requesting approval to move forward with their, respective proposals. So Canada is already one step ahead. It approved the first crypto ETF, Purpose Investments Purpose Bitcoin ETF, BTCC, in February. Launched February 18th, BTCC has experienced explosive growth, gathering $1 billion in Canadian dollars within its first 2 months of trading and showcasing widespread, demand for the investment vehicle. So this is a huge thing right now. These asset managers are racing to give investors wide access to the crypto market by simplifying the means to entry. As of now, the U.S. crypto investors have limited liquidity and tax efficiencies with current investment choices. So definitely something to be, interested in and see how this is going to affect the crypto market. But when these ETFs come, I can already tell you a lot of money is going to be transferring from that crypto all the way to these ETFs into the stocks. So because they're, people are more used to stock trading instead of crypto trading. And I feel like a lot of money is going to be throwing into these ETFs because they're going to be a little bit safer, or people think of it as safer investment because it's an ETF, and we're used to ETFs being either very safe or very volatile depending if it's a big one or not. So what do you guys think about crypto ETFs? Are you for it or you're against it? Leave a comment below, let me know. Now guys, before we get into the 3 top cryptos for the month of June, go ahead and smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 150 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time we make a new video. As always, if you guys want to sign up for Webull, there's going to be a link in the description. Get your 2 free stocks valued up to $1,800. And now obviously we do have some, other news that came out recently, but we're not going to get into it, because it's not really confirmed. But there's some talks that, Elon Musk tweeted about, some quote saying, technically, maybe they're going to be parting ways with Bitcoin, but we're going to have to wait and see in the upcoming days what that was all about. Now, Chainlink is going to be our first crypto on our list. This one is down about 9% today, currently trading at $29.38. The market cap on this coin is $12.7 billion, with the volume in the past 24 hours at over $2 billion, circulating supply of 431 million, obviously. So Chainlink is an Ethereum token that powers the Chainlink decentralized Oracle network. This network allows smart contracts on Ethereum to securely connect to the external data sources, APIs, and payment systems. Now, in the past week, this one is still down about 7.5%. In the past month, down 30% from those highs of about $52, $53. Then we hit lows down here of under $15 at one point. But from that $15 area, if you bought that dip, you'd be up pretty much 100% right now. Now, on the 1-year chart, obviously, this one is still up 562%. From those highs, obviously we pulled back, but we have made a little bit of a recovery as this coin was trading at $4.35 a year ago. So if you would have bought in a year ago, you'd still be playing it safe. You'd be fine. You would not be worried about this dip at all, as you would be, deep in the profits right now. Now, obviously, we are trading at prices that we were trading at pretty much at the beginning of April or so, but that's okay. I mean, here at the end of April, we were still trading at the same price at around this $30 area, and that's pretty much where we're at right now. that, from end of April all the way up here to mid May or so, that was a crazy bull run that we saw going on. Bullish, very bullish right there. Huge gains, massive potential, and massive momentum. Now, obviously, it was a little bit overbought, a little bit too quick, and it was just getting exhausted in the market. And we saw this pullback, obviously, which is a normal thing. This is healthy. We cannot just go straight up. You cannot just go straight up forever and ever and ever like some of these other coins have done, especially Ethereum. You guys saw Ethereum made like 100% gains in a matter of a month or so, which was just insanity. It has to be slow and steady, or else it's going to just get exhausted and pull back down and crash hard and harder every single time. So this is a great pullback, guys. Good opportunity to look for the future if you're a believer in Chainlink or not. The second altcoin on our list is going to be Uniswap, UNI. So this one is down about 6% on the day, currently trading at around $27 per coin. In the past week, down about 6%. In the past month, 36%. And then on the 1 year chart, up over 769%, with highs up here of $45 and lows down here of right under $17 or so. But from that $17 range, we're already up about $9 or $10, on that dip. So like I keep saying, on that market, flash crash that we saw happen pretty much in a few hours, that was a quick crash and recovery happened, popped right back up. Now we're in a consolidation period, pretty much consolidating. Now we're going to have to wait to see what's going to happen during the summer right now in 2021 and the rest of 2021, obviously. Is the bull market going to come back and continue on higher, or are we going to start getting into the, that cold winter bear market season? So we'll have to wait and see, as this coin was trading at around $3 or so a year ago. Obviously now it's at almost $27. So, still trading, like we said. We keep saying this over and over, but we are trading in April prices, guys, which is okay. Market cap on this coin, 15.1 billion. Uniswap's volume in the past 24 hours is 607.7 million, with a circulating supply at around 565 million coins. Now, Uniswap is an Ethereum token that powers Uniswap, an automated liquidity provider that designed to make it easy to exchange Ethereum ERC20 tokens. There is no order book or central facilitator on Uniswap. Instead, tokens are exchanged through the liquidity pools that are defined by smart contracts. Definitely an interesting coin, guys. We've discussed it in the past. Uniswap is very interesting to us on this channel, and we think this could be a very, very great buying opportunity for the future as well. And then obviously the number 3 pick is going to be EOS. So this one, we talked about this one actually, I believe, in May. It was one of those greener coins that we talked about that had some explosive gains, obviously, at some points. Like right here, we saw it go from $9 all the way up to about $14 or $15, and then we saw that broader sell-off. But in the past 24 hours, down about 7%. In the past week, down 13%. And then obviously on the 1 year chart, it's still up 123%. But we did see that huge pop, like we said, from $6 all the way up here to highs of about $15 in a matter of about a week or so. And then obviously came back down to earth all the way down to $4 or so. Market cap is very low on this one, only at 5.8 billion right now. So plenty of room for growth in the future. Easily could be valued at 50 billion plus, which would potentially be trading at $60 per coin, or at around 50 to 60 billion market cap. I would not be surprised to see that in the next 5 to 10 years on EOS. Now, volume in the past 24 hours on EOS is around 1.9 billion, with a circulating supply at 954 million. Now, EOS is a cryptocurrency designed to support large-scale applications. There are no fees to send or receive EOS. Instead, the protocol rewards the entities that run the network periodically with new EOS, effectively, substituting inflation for transaction fees, which is very interesting, guys. And we like EOS because it's a little bit more greener. And as we all know, Elon Musk is trying to get away from Bitcoin and some of these, coins that are using too much of our energy or too much coal and different things like that. To be mined, and we're going to be transferring to these, greener coins. And we've talked in the past about, Polygon. We talked about EOS and many, many other coins on the channel that could potentially be the next, big coin that is going to be more environmentally friendly, which means that more people are going to be valuing it for the future instead of getting into these, crazy expensive coins, I guess you could say. So definitely something to add to your radar and see how it's going to perform throughout the summer and the rest of 2021, if it's going to be the next boom or not. Now, guys, obviously, since we've covered these altcoins, let's take a look at the top gainer in the past 24 hours. Obviously, the highest volume is always Bitcoin, like usual. We have a new listing. Dogecoin is obviously on Coinbase now. Now, top gainer in the past 24 hours is going to be New Cipher. So NU, this one is up 37%. Now, we're just going to be quickly, looking over this one. We're not suggesting you buy this one, but it is on a little bit of a push on up with some momentum. In the past week, it's up 34% as well. Like you see, in the past month, it is down, obviously, after that crash. But obviously this coin was trading at $1.14 at one point, pulled back down. So now we're seeing a little bit of a run on this one. Market cap very low, so we can see some crazy movement on this one. 301.6 million market cap on this coin. Now, New Cipher, this is going to be an Ethereum token that can be staked to run a node on the New Cipher network. New Cipher describes itself as a threshold cryptography network that provides data privacy and key management for decentralized applications and protocols. So that is what New Cipher is. I am not familiar with that coin. I have not done, research on this coin, but we're just going to be looking at, obviously it's the top gain in the past 24 hours. So definitely something to look at and see, do your own research. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor. So all of this on this channel is, educational, for educational purposes. Before investing into crypto or stocks or anything in general, you should always speak to your financial advisor and, do your own due diligence. Now, obviously, let's take a look at how Dogecoin's performing, guys. So this one, obviously, since it's trading on Coinbase now, it's gotten some momentum in the past week. 24 hours is down about 3%, but on the past week, it is up about 15%. We were trading at around 27, 28 cents right here. We went to highs of about 44 cents actually, on Wednesday, I believe, or Thursday, which is crazy. The coin was doing very well, performing very well compared to the rest of the market. Obviously, on the 1 year chart, still up over 14,500%, but still not, in close to that 73 cents area that we saw during the whole, Elon Musk pump that we saw going on. Market cap obviously under 50 billion right now. Volume in the past 24 hours around 6 billion. So very interesting to see how Dogecoin is going to perform for the rest of the year as well. And then we have Bitcoin obviously trading right around 37,000, down about 4% in the past 24 hours. Market cap right around that 700 billion. We've been sticking around that area for a while now. What we've been talking about is this consolidation. So obviously the coin went down to 30,000 in May, and then we've been consolidating around this 30 to 35 to 36,000 area. We were not able to break through the 38,000 area this week, and then obviously could not break through that 40,000 area or 42,000 area as well. We broke down, came back, falling down. Now we're definitely going to be interested to see what's going to happen on obviously today, on Saturday and Sunday as well, because the market is closed. AMC, GameStop, BlackBerry, all those stocks are not being traded. So a lot of people might be getting into the crypto space over the weekend, and we might see a little bit of a pump or maybe even a little bit of a dump depending on what's going on in the market. So definitely something interesting to see. On the 1 year chart, still up 280%. So it's, performing very, very well. In the stock market, you'll be dreaming of 280%, for the year. So definitely interesting to see how Bitcoin is going to continue to perform throughout the rest of 2021. Now we have our second big dog, Ethereum. So ETH, this one is down about 4%, but it's been, pretty much flat in the past 48 hours or so, trading up and down between that 25 to 2700 area. Market cap 317.6 billion, trading at 2700 in the past week, pretty much flat as well. In the past month, obviously down 20%, as we did hit those highs of 4400 and lows down here of 1700 at one point. But like we said, from that 1700 area, we are up over $1,000 from that low. So that was a great dip buying opportunity for anybody that missed out on Ethereum or felt like they missed out here in April. When they saw this huge spike from 2300 or the 2000 area all the way to 4,000, it came back down. So if you were a big, enthusiast on Ethereum and you believed in the coin, this was a great buying opportunity for you, because if you believe in Ethereum for the next, 5, 10, 20 years, that was a great dip buying opportunity. You pretty much got to buy it 50% off, more than 50% actually. If it was trading at lows of 1700, you were getting a great discount, Black Friday sale right there. So if you loaded up on there, props to you. Let me know in the comments below. Let me know that you bought that dip, and if you didn't, why did you not buy that dip? That was a great, lifetime opportunity. We might not see Ethereum trade under that 1700 area, 2000 area ever again. But obviously that could be wrong, and we could see a bear market, start up during the summer and going into the fall, and we might trade below 2,000. We might even go to 1,000. Who knows what's going to happen? But if Ethereum ever was to go under $1,000 per coin, you bet your butt off I would definitely be getting into the coin, guys. I would be throwing every penny that I can find into the Ethereum. If it was trading under $1,000, I would start, crypto mining, doing all kinds of things, trying to get in, because I believe in Ethereum that is going to be trading at $10,000 in the future. Maybe not in 5 years, maybe not in 10 years, but maybe in 20 years it will. But I definitely have that price target of 10,000 for Ethereum, and then obviously for Bitcoin over 100,000 that we've set that target. So definitely going to be interesting to see how that's going to perform in the future, and if it's ever going to hit those targets or not. Now, as always, guys, if you enjoy this type of content, smash that like button like we said. Subscribe to the channel. We just hit 37,000 subscribers on the channel. As always, if you guys want to check out Webull, there's going to be a link in the description. 2 free stocks when you sign up today. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.